In today's video, I'm taking you through my full summer morning routine while in transition. My gut health habits, what I eat, my workouts, and rituals that make me feel like my best, even when life is crazy and feels unpredictable. It is 4:48 in the morning and we have a full day ahead of us. As I'm in this transition, my sleep schedule has definitely been really inconsistent. I really want to get back on the bandwagon like I was saying last vlog, so I thought today I would share with you guys my summer morning routine. It's definitely not perfect, but it's what I need to tackle everything I need to do. My eyes literally feel so swollen and they are stinging. The only way to tackle this is quick, effective movement, following the plan, not the mood. 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. I'm gonna come straight home after my workout class, so I just kind of need to do my basic hygiene, wake up, get my stuff, and get out the door. Because I'm in the middle of moving, I obviously don't have all of my stuff and I'm just living out of cosmetic bags, but what I love to do in the morning is just like a quick little facial massage. I'm definitely noticing I have more inflammation in my face right now, lack of water, not proper hydration, and this just feels so good. And then for my makeup, absolutely nothing, but I will be putting my eyebrows into place. The next thing that I do is set up my digestion for the day. This is also kind of part of setting up my body. I'll always start with drinking just like at least a little bit of water to start my digestion, so then when I do my gut health routine, all of the nutrition is actually more likely to absorb because it's awake. Sometimes drinking water in the morning literally feels like a massive punishment. The next part of my routine is the cultured coconut, which is the probiotic I use. It's actually a Canadian brand. My routine right now is very makeshift because all of my stuff is in boxes still. Anyway, so I'm doing what I can, not being too hard on myself, but then also really anchoring in the steps I have available to try and keep me sane and feeling as good as I can. It's always kind of hit or miss if I eat in the morning or not, but I am feeling hungry, so I'm just gonna quickly eat this little egg bite. My mom prepared these for me. That's a definite pro about being home right now. I should have started my car way earlier. Hey Siri, play worship music.
Now playing worship mix on Spotify.
When I'm lost, I'm always found by His ways, by His grace, by His grace.
A big part of my morning routine is setting up my mind, my body, and my soul. So part of my body, my gut health routine, my workout. My mind is journaling, and I love meditations or affirmations. And then for my soul, I am really growing in my faith this year. I'm putting out the intention to really spend more intentional time with God. Normally, if I had more time at home, I would use the Bible app, but even just listening to worship music as I drive in my car, that's something I really like to incorporate into my mornings. I am going 90 and a 60. You need to chill. I just realized I don't even know if I told you guys where we're going, but we're going to work out. I'm actually doing an oxygen yoga class. I booked the 6 a.m. because as I'm trying to get up early and get to routine again, I feel like a class is my favorite way to get back into routine because it's so mindless. Like, I just have to show up essentially. I actually had a girl on Instagram reach out and offer me a class, so I'm really excited. I used to do oxygen yoga when I was in high school, and then my friend Becca, I've done a couple classes with her over the years because she really loves it. So yeah, I had to borrow my mom's yoga mat because it's kind of yoga but also HIIT style. There's different types of classes. I don't really know the names well enough to know what I'm getting myself into. All I know is it's heated. I just need to like detox, sweat, lose the inflammation from this transitional period. I honestly should have came earlier because I haven't done a class here, so I don't know if at this studio I have to sign a form. And there's also a lot of paid parking in effect. But I think if you give them your license plate, it's okay. I don't know, we'll see what happens here.
The truth you tell me, keep us up in something less, leaving tidy all the time. If you ask me, I can find, and I wanna be on my mind.
the armpits of my jacket, which is really gross, but overall that was really good. I just loved being able to show up. And then I did walk over to the coffee shop and get myself a celebratory latte. You know me. I think if buying coffee is a habit, that's my favorite, or not a habit, a hobby. That's my favorite hobby. But now it's 7:15. Today I actually teach at 8 a.m. and 8, 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. I have a really busy day today. So I'm gonna book it home, teach my first class, and then I'll have a shower and get ready for the day and then kind of see where I'm at. Or like, it's such a nice day out right now. I don't really know what I'm going to do. It's just so nice. And I'm already in like the hustle bustle. And that's the one thing about living at my parents' is they do live out of town. It's not too bad, but it does inconvenience your day if you're like bopping around. Actually, no, we're sticking to the plan, not the mood. We still need to nourish our mind with our affirmations and our meditation. So let's do that together. I have shared before, I love the Rise app, which is Georgie Stevenson's mindset manifestation app. I specifically love her app because they have pep talks and meditation tracks just whenever your energy is off or to set up your day. So I'm going to choose a meditation for this morning. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. It says everything is on its way to you, and it also says how long it is. So this one's only 10 minutes, which is perfect. I'll just sit here in my car. My car is literally my sanctuary. Oh, is it gonna play through the car?
I want you to feel a beautiful, this light is full of gratitude. Your feet, the gratitude. Your stomach, whatever you're trying to attract in fully, because everything.
10 minutes later and like, I can't even put the good vibes into words. I like have been very intentional. I think I started getting into self-development in grade 12, but since then, really fine-tuning my skills, my ability to be, one, self-aware of areas where I need to work on and hold myself accountable, and two, being able to call myself out in those moments to apply my new skills is something I've been working on for almost 10 years. And it is crazy how much more regulated my nervous system is, how less charged my emotional reactions are, and how more in control I feel in my just overall human existence. I swear by this kind of work because it truly is life-changing, and it just makes for a more peaceful life. Okay, I've made the executive decision. We are going to drive to a different coffee shop, the Hub, which you guys always see me work from. We're gonna take our call in the car, and then we'll go and do a little bit of work before we head home for our 1 o'clock teach and our 2 o'clock teach. Today is going to be a productive day, and we are already off to a fantastic start. These vibes are electric. It is 7:48 now, so in 12 minutes, I'm just streaming from my car. I did that yesterday, it worked seamlessly, so I'm praying for another seamless experience. We get set up here, and then we will head into the coffee shop and start our first work block of the day, but that would be kind of the morning routine.